Hey guys, I am coming to you from my iPhone to tell you why I should give up my iPhone. Actually, you know what? I covered a song about it. I rewrote the lyrics of A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman and called it A Million Apps. Hopefully, this will give you a better understanding of the impact my iPhone has on my life. Here it is. I close my eyes and then I hear a loud ringtone played in my ear. So I check my text. Then as I'm about to sleep, I hear another noisy beep. So I check my mail. They can say that I'm addicted. They can say I rely on the internet. Is it true that I'm addicted? Oh, we live in a world based on cell phones. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, I post to lots of Twitter threads. A million apps are keeping me awake. I think of how things used to be with flip phones, less technology. A million apps is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million apps that are keeping me awake. A million apps really are taking over my life, and that is why I'm willing to give up my iPhone for a whole 7 days.